Welcome to Miltek. Here we have the small and mighty model A102. The first thing we need to do when setting up a new baler is to install the banding. To do so, grab your Miltek banding from the box and place it on the holder on top of the A102. Then unlock the banding brakes and slide the banding behind the brake. Slide through a generous amount, then lock the brakes back into place. Open both the top and bottom door. And you will see the banding is hanging below the pressing plate. Pull the banding down, making sure that the banding is behind the grey guide. Pull through enough banding so that when the banding is lying flat on the ground, it goes just a little bit past the bottom door. Once the banding is at the desired length, clip it into the black holders on the bottom of the baler. Then grab both parts of the banding and pull it up and over the bottom door and lock it into place. When the bale indicator next to the bottom door stays green for longer than 30 seconds, you are ready to bale out. To start this process, release the pressing plate and open the top door. Then, grab the banding at the back of the baler, pull the banding to the front and use the safety blade on the bottom door to cut the banding. The banding should hang slightly over the bottom door. The two ends that are not overhanging the bottom door should be put towards the back of the baler. Then, close the top door and bring the pressing plate down. As the pressing plate is coming down, slightly pull on the ends of the banding to remove the slack. Once the pressing plate is down, undo the black brakes and use two hands to open the bottom door. Remember to never open the bottom door while you or someone else is standing in front of it. Always open it from the side. Once the bottom door is open, grab the banding closest to the floor. Fold the end over to make a loop. Then tie a knot in the loop by wrapping it around and pulling it back through itself. Once you have made 2 loops, grab the banding hanging down and put the end through the loop. Give the banding a pull to tighten it, then lock it off with your thumb and index finger and tie a knot by going around and down through itself. Do that knot twice. Do this again on the other side and you have tied a bale. Once the bale has been tied, release the pressing plate. You'll see the bale will expand. Do not put your fingers anywhere near it. Once the bale has expanded and the plate has reached the top of the baler, open the top door, grab a pallet or pallet jack and simply pull the bale out of the front of the A102 and set your banding up ready for the next bale.